person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make the skin color.
Showing you how to make person. Skin color is white and orange, I mean.
And you can find it from the dollar store.
Yeah. So once
Okay,
you
so
have your color good enough, you roll it up into a head shape.
Yeah. So you roll it up into like a little head shape.
Like this. Or just a circle maybe.
You can make
And you can make it this way.
wait 1 minute, I just want to put orange in it.
Oh.
So
And I'm going to do the face now. So for my face, I'm just going to take any color of eye, but I'm using blue.
and you can use a detail too. So I'm just gonna use my then it will
Just
turn
like
out,
this.
It will turn out. Oh, my head. It
You
will
can
turn
do
out.
the simple way or just that way.
Okay, now you want to pinch your head to make a little chin shape.
Yeah. And now for the mouth.
So she's gonna be wearing blue lipstick.
And just like that.
The nose. So we have to copy the same skin color for the head.
Unless you don't want to nose, because I'm not doing a nose. Me, it's time for the hair. Now you
Wait.
choose any color of hair. But I am choosing orange.
For the people who are doing a nose, get a little ball and just roll it just a little so it'll make an oval shape. And then so I'm gonna get some black and I'm just gonna get a little a bigger circle than all the other condiments. And
Now I'm going to take the green, roll it up in a circle, and just flatten it out into like an oval shape.
yeah.
Now, going to make it as long as I can, and just put it on her like this.
And
This
so
girl.
So anybody who wants to have buns, get a little like piece and roll it, and then put it around their bun so it will be a hair tie. Is gone. I'm done this, and now I'm gonna make the shirt. I know what you're thinking. Right? Okay, so I got her shirt on, and now I'm gonna make little squares just to give her arms. I want them to be positioning. You know what I mean. And like that.
Like and subscribe.